Hello friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. In this video, we are going to discuss about a fantastic AI chatbot which will act as a AI assistant for you to collect all the data related with your research. So, and it also gives the source where it is taken instead of searching in all the websites and all the blogs, etc. So, this chatbot will help you to bring all the content in a single window. So, let us go on to today's video and instruct our research ideas. Let us see how it will collect data for us. So, let us go on to today's video and explore that AI tool. Before that, an important announcement from our channel is that we are going to conduct an online workshop on EV charging station and PV and wind energy as sources. So, in this workshop, we are going to model PV and wind energy as input sources, and then we are going to implement maximum power point tracking techniques in both of them to grasp maximum amount of energy from them, and then we are going to connect it with grid. So, after that, we are going to making it to communicate with EV charging stations, and we are going to incorporate in EV charging stations, and we are going to make a proper energy management between that input load and sources. So these are the important things we are going to discuss in this workshop. So don't forget to register our online workshop. The link of the registration will be given in the description of this video. See you on our workshop. So here you can see this is the dashboard of this Ninjatech AI. So here you whatever input prompt you want you can give. So I am going to give. So what are the different MPP max, that is machine learning algorithms for MPPT in solar PV system. So like that I am going to give an input prompt. So let us see how this Ninja will search and will get an answer for us. So here you can see this is the real-time web search. Here you can see machine learning algorithms are used in maximum power point tracking in solar PV system, including linear and non-linear regression. So next, predictor, corrector method and other intelligent algorithms. So these are the different references. So if you want to explore these references, just to click on that link. So instead of searching in the all sites or all websites, so you can search in this particular link also. So it will show the that is papers, and also you can get the codes also in the MathWorks. So here you can see what is the MPPT, what are the different options are available using machine learning algorithms. So next you can see that this is the paper related with that. So here you can see a comprehensive review of maximum power point tracking techniques used in solar PV system. So like that, so it will collect all the data related with this particular topic, and it will give you also. And the important thing is that it will give all the different videos related with your search also. So like that you can make use of this Ninja AI to generate a better content for you. So you can collect data for your research. So and then what you can do is Ninja AI is you can to generate research content also. For example, I am going to give generate an abstract for the research paper titled IoT based energy management in power sector. So like that I am going to give an input like this. So let us see how it will generate answer for us. So here you can see that the similar abstract with this present in the web will be searched and it will be generated here. So here you can see that the research paper proposes an IoT based system for power sector aiming to optimize energy consumption and distribution. The system integrates the IoT devices with advanced technologies to monitor, control and energy usage. So like that it will generate the content by leveraging the IoT capabilities. So the system, you can see that system enhances the distribution authority power, promises digitalization and ensures protection of energy infrastructure. So like that it will generate the content for you. So even if you want anything related with your research, just give it as an input prompt, so it will generate content for you. So like that you can make use of this option. So next here you will be having a MIP, so you can instruct this Ninja AI to generate content for you. Explain about renewable energy. So here you can see automatically the renewable energy will be, the sources for renewable energy will be generated here. So here you can see that these sources are natural, like the different content related with renewable energy is generated. So next important thing is that it will show what is the references associated with and what are the videos and images associated with the particular topic you have searched. So here you can see that I have not turned off the mic, so it is generating whatever we are speaking. So there is no problem, you can turn off, just in one click you can turn off. Okay. So like that you can use it as a research assistant to collect data for your research paper. So make use of this option and make your research paper search and that is preliminary analysis for your research paper very simple and easy. Hope this video will be very helpful for you. So thank you for watching our videos. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Have a nice day. Thank you.